Welcome to rainy Northern California. Heavy weather here in the Bay Area. It has been raining for the last 3 hours straight. They took the tarps off about an hour ago. We are in week 6, but this seems like a very important game, especially for this division.
This is the best Raider team I've seen in the last decade. They have the talent to make the playoffs. As for the Chiefs, they've been up and down, but the one thing I do know about head coach Andy Reid, he knows what it takes to get his team to the finish line.
Play together, stay together, play fast, physical, communicate. Win in the division or win your division. Let's get it done today. Let's go, Raiders on 3. 1, 2, 3, Raiders!
It'll be a short kick. Richard will come up and take it on the 3. 10, 15, middle 20. 25 gets wide left, 30, 35. What a way to open the game by the pocket rocket. Jalen Richard with a kickoff return of 57 yards all the way into Chief territory. They're going to throw. 5-step drop and a comeback route left. Caught by Amari Cooper. A missed tackle by Steven Nelson. Amari sped off of it and made that a 16-yard catch and run. Derek a shotgun snap. Looking middle, throws. It is caught inside the red zone. Amari Cooper for a gain of 19 yards. Derek Carr out of the gun. Looking end zone. Lobs one for the back. It is caught. Andre Holmes catch that. Touchdown! Raiders! Here's a counter run coming right to Spencer Ware, and a nice tackle there by Stacy McGee. Smith back under pressure. They're going to get him again. Danico Autry hit him. Alex looking right. Now ducks out. Will be tripped up and sacked. Back on the 43-yard line, Khalil Mack. Link will get his second sack of the year there.
Look at the strength. He's used just that left arm. He pushes Fisher right down. Is able to get the sack on Alex Smith. Khalil Mack is a handful at the defensive end position.
You better believe it.
Let's go! Good job, man.
Roberts inside of Crabtree. Carr under pressure will throw one down the sideline. Crabtree open. He underthrew him, and it's intercepted by Marcus Peters.
Tight ends again on 1st and 10. Ware. Sherman a block that opens the door, and there goes Spencer Ware. Deep into Raider territory, taken down in the secondary by Nelson.
And the Raiders are slipping and sliding in their tackling, very sloppy.
It's Poe, the catch, the bulldozing move, and a touchdown. Tari Poe. The Chiefs have beaten the Raiders for a 4th consecutive time, and 6 of the last 7.
We'll take our lumps. They beat us today. They earned that victory today, and they earned that one game. That's what it is, one game. So we'll move on.
We didn't do good enough at all. I mean, that was bad. That was bad performance by us. But we know who we are. We know what we can do, but we got to go back and get to work.